Hi friends, today in this video I want to give you a noise sale coupon code for you to shop in eRevy, the brand online shopping app. Go to the link given in the description. After going to that, you can see this slide type of page and see the rules there. You must be subscribed to our channel. And for up, you can see the red color button to subscribe our channel. So you can see that the subscribe button, click on that. You direct to our channel and click subscribe that. And if you come back to that same website, you can see right the coupon code was active right now. Okay, just click any of your products. You have so many products like smartwatches and Bluetooth earbuds. You can go to the products and click select option. After clicking the select option, you can be redirected to this page which has been the products and different images of the products and different colors, and this is the description. And choose the color what you want. That I want to choose the color pink and click done option, and you can see the different images I choose there, and you can see the different description of the product specifications and products information you have got that, and click add to cart right now. And so you can see that you can successfully add the product to our cart. So we can see that extra 49 rupees charged for the delivery purpose. Okay, just to remove that and click the three dots on the up and click the my account page and be the registered to this place. If you have account, please log in and give your username. I'm giving that my username and click your email address or Gmail address. Right now enter your password which has been to you. Please enter your password right now, and you can see that you can't put any weak password. You can see the indicator right down and click the strong password for that. I'm entering the strong password and click register right now. After registering, you can direct to the page, direct to my account page and click not now. And click, you have a basket symbol right there and click view cart, and we are going to redirect to the cart, and you can see the coupon section available, and enter the coupon code displaying on the video Ravi Edits TV and click the apply coupon option, and you can wait for 1 to 2 seconds, and you can see that 49 rupees delivery charge has been removed, and click the proceed to checkout button. And you can be redirected to the billing or address and billing details, and you must be fill the details you have given there. You must be fill all the details of the products. I have just entering my details, the phone number and email address and your correct address to deliver your product. And you can put the different shipping address to ship the product to your address, and you can choose a different payment methods like UPI. You can pay with the Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm or Bharat Pay. You can choose the any payment operators, and right now I am choosing the cash on delivery option and click I agree terms and conditions, click place order. After the place order, 1 to 3 seconds, you can be redirected to this page, and you can see that thank you, order has been successfully have reached. It can be delivered in 4 to 6 days to your doorstep. This coupon code is only valid till 27th July 2020. If you not open the website right now, it will be opening from tomorrow 5:30 p.m.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it